Myself, Suraj Amarnath Shinde. I belong to Songaon, Satara, in Maharashtra. I have completed my schooling from Srimati Indira Gandhi Vidyalaya, Navi Mumbai. After that, I have completed my diploma from Karmel Gaurav Patil College, Satara. Then after, I have completed my graduation in mechanical engineering from Savitribai Phule Pune University. Sir, in my family, we are 4 members. My father is farmer and also a small dairy milk collection center. My mother is homemaker. I am eldest son and my brother is currently pursuing his graduation in computer science. So today I am very excited about this interview. Because for last 2 years I am preparing for this exam and this is the first time I have reached the interview stage. Thank you.
You are a mechanical engineer.
Yes, sir.
So why you are entering into the banking industry?
Sir,
You should go to the automobile industry and mechanical industry.
yes, sir. Actually, sir, I have completed my graduation in year 2021. The year was of COVID. So the campus placement was very low in our college, and I was not able to clear the campus placement. So then after mechanical industries, several companies are also shut down due to the lockdown. So I was not able to get a job outside the campus placement. So I started preparing for banking examination after my graduation.
This is not an eligibility criteria to enter into the bank, no? Your specialization is the mechanical and you are trying to become banker. The banker must have the different qualities than the mechanical engineer. So how you apply your knowledge into the banking industry?
So actually, the eligibility for becoming bank PO is a graduation. So I have cleared that eligibility. And other than that, sir, yeah, in our course, we have given lot of seminars. We have done project work. So I was that enriched the value of team player in us. Then after, sir, in seminar, we have developed the communication skill, convincing skill, which will be helpful for the banking sector. As you know, the banking sector is going paperless, and in mechanical engineering, we are learn lot of technologies like CAD software, CATIA software. So there is a technology of adaptability that I have that will be useful for me to grow as a banker in future.
Okay, as you are telling, you are a mechanical engineer and you are applying technology.
Yes.
As you know, the banking scenario is going to change in nowadays.
Yes,
the bank is going to make paperless banking.
Yes.
So digital banking is a new arena for banking industry. So how the digital banking will help to develop business, or do you are using any digital products of bank, or how it correlated that business will develop through digital banking?
So currently I have account in South Indian Bank, which provide a locking system. The system is that I can lock my account till certain amount. So if something cyber attack is happen on my account, the only amount that I have amount I locked, only that will be become a fraud. Like 500 rupees I have put a lock, so only 500 rupees can go out. And if I have to make a transaction more than 500 rupees, so I have to remove that lock first. So cyber attack will be, if someone to cyber attack on me, my account will be safe. There is some DBT, we know, direct benefit transfer. It is also the banking product, digital banking product, which is providing direct benefits to the farmers and other marginal sectors. So it is also the technological. So it is also a technology that is helping the people from all over the background to make their financial needs.
I was told about the limits or locking system
Yes,
of the account which is provided by your bank.
Yes, sir.
Is it convenient? Suppose I am in a hurry and I want to pay immediately 1,000 rupees and you have set the lock for 500 rupees. Is it convenient?
Yes, sir. It is a tap on tap off feature. So if I tap on the feature, it will be off within a second. I do not have to. It is not a hassle. It is a hassle-free process.
Old banking is different and now digital banking
Yes,
is
sir.
different. There are a number of digital products are there, like net banking, mobile banking, and other medias are also bank banking. WhatsApp banking is also there. How that banking will help the customer or help the people to adopt the banking services?
So I think all these features you have to WhatsApp banking, digital transfer, digital fund transfer. So it will reduce the banking time. First of all, after so that time will be that time the person can use for his personal growth or his other purpose. That's the one thing. Other than that, sir, there are a lot of feature or lot of data we will as a banker we will get from the customer. So we can provide the customer niche product according to his needs, which was not possible earlier in old banking system.
Yes, right.
Can all customers afford this kind of things? Are they literate to handle all kinds of digital services?
So
If they are not, then how do you
Sorry.
rate them?
So actually, our technology adaptability is very high in India. We are #1 country in cryptocurrency adaptation. We are adopting. Our people are adopting technology very fast. I don't know how it is possible, but it is happening. Our people are adopting technology very fast. So if someone is not able to adapt, there is always bank for him. So he can come to bank, and as a banker, I will try. So he can adopt that technology. So it will be become convenient for person.
Right now you are residing in Somgaon,
Yes, sir.
correct?
Yes, sir.
Tell me the economy of the Somgaon.
So in Songaon we have a sugar factory. So lot of people work there. Other than that, sir, farming is a primary business there, and people also do animal husbandry.
What about the social structure?
Sir, social structure is like I think most of people are belongs to a lower economic group because education was not there earlier. It is now happening. We have good institute, Rare Shikshan Institute there only. And other than that, now people are moving out. First people, the earlier people was not moving out, and they are also adopting additional businesses that will be comply with the farming business. So now the economic aspects are changing, but till now it is a lot of people are belongs to lower economic group.
There is one sugar factory.
Yes, sir.
What is the influence and impact of that sugar factory on your village? Economic impact, social impact, and environmental impact.
So economic impact is that when sugar factory is open, there are a lot of money inflow and outflow coming from the village. There are a lot of hotel industries are coming to my village. And some environmental factor is that it is like providing some environmental hazards like the used water, chemical water, then chimneys. There are some environmental
Externalities are there.
Yes.
You told about both advantages and disadvantages of that sugar factory
Yes.
particularly. So what do you think? We should allow these kind of factories inside the village, or we should not allow, because it comes with some disadvantages. What is your opinion about that?
Ma'am, actually, we should allow the factories. The thing is that when technology comes first, it comes with some disadvantages. But at the time the technology adopts, technology grows, the disadvantages are less. So advantages outweigh the disadvantages. I think that.
Take an example of another chemical factory is there. It is to be installed in your village, and it is to discharge so much chemical that the health may get compromised. So we should allow that.
No, absolutely not. The factory should be in rules and regulations. And after that, there are some hazardous things happening. We should try to control or minimize that effect. That's.
Okay, what are your strengths?
So, I'm good at communication skill in 3 languages. My mother language Marathi, Hindi and English. Other than that, I have good convincing skill. And I'm good at adopting technological changes.
Do you speak Hindi?
Yes.
Tell me about this interim budget in Hindi.
Any 2 to 3 features.
Any matter which is published in the budget.
सर आई विल ट्राई माय बेस्ट इन इंटरिम। सर इंटरिम बजट को हिंदी में अंतरिम बजट कहते हैं। अंतरिम बजट में सर क्या होता है, जब जिस साल इलेक्शन ईयर होता है उस साल ही अंतरिम बजट गवर्नमेंट प्रस्तुत करती है, और उससे जो पहले साल होते हैं उसमें फाइनल बजट आता है। अंतरिम बजट में क्या होता है, जो इकोनॉमिक रिपोर्ट होता है जो 31 जनवरी को हर साल आता है, वो अंतरिम बजट में नहीं आता है। वो जब इलेक्शन होता है उसके बाद जो सरकार आती है और वो जब बजट प्रस्तुत करती है जुलाई में, जून में, उसी के साथ वो इकोनॉमिक जो बजट का रिपोर्ट होता है वो आता है। उसके साथ अंतरिम बजट में मतलब जो बड़े बड़े अनाउंसमेंट होते हैं वो किए नहीं जाते। मतलब ऐसा लिखा नहीं है किधर कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन में, बट ये रूल है, क्योंकि अगर कोई बड़ा अनाउंसमेंट हुआ तो वो जो इलेक्शन से उनको इन्फ्लुएंस कर सकता है। उसके साथ अंतरिम बजट में जो अपना टैक्स है उसके बारे में, टैक्स पॉलिसीज के बारे में बताया जाता है, फिजिकल डेफिशिएंट के बारे में बताया जाता है, उसके साथ रेवेन्यू डेफिशिएंट के बारे में भी बताया जाता है।
इस बजट में 7 प्रायोरिटीज कुछ यूनियन बजट में अनाउंस हुई थी, कुछ उसके बारे में जानकारी है?
सर सप्तर्षि के बारे में पता है। सप्तर्षि है सर महिला, फार्मर्स, युवा, महिला, फार्मर्स, युवा, सर बाकी थे में भी
इंफ्रा इन्वेस्टमेंट, ग्रीन ग्रोथ,
सर सभी
अनलिशिंग द पोटेंशियल। ओके,
एक मैं केस स्टडी बताती हूँ आपको।
Yes.
बैंक ए है जिसका होम लोन का इंटरेस्ट रेट है 8.4%।
Yes.
तो बैंक बी है जिसका होम लोन का इंटरेस्ट रेट है 8.35%। 0.05 का डिफरेंस है। तो बैंक ए को अगर बी से कम्पीट करना है तो उनको मार्केट में क्या करना पड़ेगा जिससे वो कम्पीट कर पाएंगे? वो अपना इंटरेस्ट रेट तो नहीं घटा सकते, लेकिन उनको कम्पीट तो करना है। तो अगर आप ब्रांच मैनेजर हैं और आपके एरिया में ये इशू अराइज हो रहा है तो आप क्या करेंगे?
मतलब जैसा कि है कि अगर इंटरेस्ट रेट कम है तो एक्चुअली बैंक बी को ज़्यादा एडवांटेज है ए के कंपैरिजन में। बट एज अ ब्रांच मैनेजर मैं जो मेरे कस्टमर्स हैं, लॉयल कस्टमर्स हैं, उनके थ्रू ही ज़्यादा जाने की कोशिश करूँगा। कस्टमर को बताऊँगा कि बैंक का एक 0.5% का डिफरेंस आ रहा है, बट द फैसिलिटीज वी आर गिविंग, वी आर प्रोवाइडिंग are much better in better quality than other banks. Other than that, we will try to minimize their loan form cost,
time period,
or sometimes if person is not able to give EMIs on time, we will try to reach our ROs. We can do some settlement as I think.
तो एक्स्ट्रा फैसिलिटी
Yes.
देके उनको ये करने का।
Yes.
Okay, what do you do in your leisure time?
Sir, I read books. Other than that, I watch movies, web series.
Okay, what kind of books do you like to read?
So it is like as I am growing, the category of books I am reading is changing from fiction to non-fiction, again non-fiction. So currently I am reading Steve Jobs' autobiography. Before that, I have read *Sapiens*. These are 2 books I have read last year.
Motivational books.
No, sir. Before that, I have read *Pedal*, which is like travel log from one writer named Neeraj Musafir. He was a engineer like myself. He was working in a Delhi metro, and after that, one day he decided that I should ride the Ladakh on my bicycle. So how that thing happened, he illustrated in that book. So it is not category-less. I read that integrate my interest.
Okay. सूरज, आप एक ब्रांच के मैनेजर हो और उस ब्रांच में एक कस्टमर है, बड़ा कस्टमर है, उसके बहुत सारे डिपॉजिट्स आपके पास है, करंट अकाउंट में, सेविंग में है, एफडी में है, और रोड हादसे में उसका एक्सीडेंट होता है, उसको एडमिट किया जाता है, और हॉस्पिटल की डिमांड है मिनिमम 10 लाख रुपीज़ डिपॉजिट करना है, उसके सिवा उसका ऑपरेशन नहीं होने वाला है। इस केस में उसकी पत्नी आपके पास आती है और वो बोलती है कि उनका अकाउंट आपके पास है और मुझे अभी के अभी 15 लाख की ज़रूरत है। तो आप उनको पैसे दोगे या नहीं दोगे?
सर
The
मैं
account is opened by that mail.
सर मतलब मैं चेक करूंगा कि अदर देन दैट मैन अगर उनके वाइफ को अथॉरिटी है क्या उस अकाउंट को ऑपरेट करने की,
नहीं है।
अगर नहीं होगी तो मतलब नहीं दे सकता मैं।
ऐसे ही मरने के लिए छोड़ दे।
ह्यूमैनिटेरियन पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू,
मतलब
इंसानियत की
सपोज उसका 2 करोड़ आपके पास है और उसको खाली 15 लाख रुपीज चाहिए ट्रीटमेंट के लिए और वो एडमिट है, उसका ऑपरेशन नहीं हो पा रहा है क्योंकि डॉक्टर बोल रहे हैं कि 10 लाख रुपीज शुड बी डिपॉजिटेड, देन दे विल प्रोसीड फॉर द ऑपरेशन। दिस इज द सिचुएशन एंड हिज वाइफ इज कमिंग टू यू एंड शी इज आस्किंग 15 lakh rupees.
So I will check if something provision is made by banks. बैंक का कोई रूल है क्या ऐसे कंडीशन में? अगर रूल अलाउ करता होगा तो मैं करूंगा, अगर नहीं करता होगा तो नहीं कर सकता।
Okay, nice.
थैंक यू।